Okay, well, so it's like April 6th. In some video somewhere, I'm heard to say, this is the last snow of the season. And apparently, I jinxed myself because there's plenty of snow on the ground. And it's about 35 degrees. I use an Instapot to make the hard-boiled eggs. And one of them this morning it was still hard-boiled, but the shell itself just popped right off. That's how great it is to peel a hard-boiled egg after cooking in the Instapot. So I tossed it out here. As you can see, they love eggs in all forms. It doesn't matter. Raw, anything between raw and hard-boiled. They're good with that. I have the snow on the ground surrounding the cherry blossom trees. I have my little bench over there in the background. This is very serene. Wow, I just decorated the chicken run for for a week or so. Look at that. Yes, we have some cherry blossoms on the chicken run. I had some branches I needed to trim back. So I thought, instead of just throwing them away, I'm gonna put them on here for a while. I like it. It's very decorative, very spring-like. They haven't really noticed yet. They're like, okay. So, just dig up some worms, would you? I tried to get her to pose for me next to the cherry blossoms. She's like, I have some preening to do. Are you posing now? You looking at the flowers? No. Phoenix. Hey, are you gonna make it? Huh? You gonna make it? Do you have an egg cooking inside you? I gave you calcium in your food. I haven't seen her eating any shells. I had the liquid calcium on its way. I'm just like, is this gonna work? Chicken calcium. Get it? Chicken calcium. Supports a healthy eggshell structure and musculoskeletal integrity. It says to do 1 teaspoon in 34 ounces of water, which is a little over 4 cups. So I have it in there. Something's bugging you, huh? Yeah, see you got a little rock in there. Get it out. I had to get it out of PKs. Someone said that could be like the start of Bumblefoot or something. And it was a stone stuck in there, and I got it out. You gonna get it? Yeah, see, it's don't pick at the actual foot. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do it for you. Okay, I've got to get a video of this before those cherry blossom trees are done. We have popcorn and Sweepy over here. And then in the distance we have Starla, Cleo, and Angel. all in this nice shot. They are going to love it when the sumac are finally, you know, green. And it's just different. It's a different feeling having the leaves on the trees instead of these sticks. Completely different vibe. Oh, come on, popcorn. Why are you making a mess for me? I gotta get the rake out, clean this all up. This happens sometimes with the 5 youngest ones. They'll all be together and Phoenix will come and join them. I think it's kind of like a, hey, I'm above all you guys, so I'm the hot shot.